Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the problem comes under testing of hypothesis, particularly in large sample, and also take the problem comes under difference of means in large sample. Okay, the problem is a buyer of electric bulbs purchases 400 bulbs, 200 bulbs of each brand. Upon testing, these bulbs are found to be brand A has an average of 1225 hours with a standard deviation of 42 hours, and in brand B, the mean lifetime of brand B is 1265 hours with a standard deviation of 60 hours. In this question, the question is check whether the brand B is superior than the brand A. That is, the lifetime hours of brand B is superior than the brand A. So that is the question. First, take the given data one by one. In brand A, the mean value is 1225 denoted by x1 for, and the standard deviation value is 42 denoted by s1. Number of bulbs for taking testing n1 equal to 200. In sample 2, that is brand B, the mean value is 1265, standard deviation value is 60, and the number of bulbs is 200. First, choose the null hypothesis. So, null hypothesis means there is no difference between the lifetime of both brands of electric bulbs. That is, H0 is mu1 equal to mu2. That is, two brands of bulbs do not differ in quality. That is, in lifetime. That is, they have the same mean life. Next, to find out, next to choose the alternative hypothesis, opposite form of the null hypothesis. So here, let us check the brand B is superior than brand A. Therefore, in this problem, let us take the one-tailed test. So, using the one-tailed test, we have to choose H1 from this problem, mu1 less than mu2. Next, let us take the level of significance alpha equal to 0.05. So, in this given problem, alpha is not given. So, default, let us take alpha equal to 0.05. The test statistic value z equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar by square root of s1 square by n1 plus s2 square by n2. So substituting these values in this formula, we get z value is minus 7.72. Let us take the absolute value 7.72. Now comparing with the table value. So first find out the table value. The critical value of z, that is the table value of z at 5% level of significance, z is equal to 1.645. So it is a large sample. So let us take the table value directly at the last row from the table. So the table value is z equal to 1.645 at 5% level, that is 0.05, alpha equal to 0.05. So comparing these value into calculating value 7.72. So calculating value is higher than the tabulated value, therefore H0 is rejected. If the calculating value less than the tabulated value, H0 is accepted. So here H0 is rejected, therefore the brand B is not equal to the brand A in average lifetime of both brands. So therefore the brand B is superior than the brand A in equality. That is, let us take the statement H1 in final. Therefore, the brand B is superior than the brand A in equality. That is a lifetime of electric bulbs. So let us discuss the another problems in another class. Thank you.